Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay at Bricks to Clicks. Another customer return pallet that we purchased. All toys, 'tis the season. And we've been home running these pallets like crazy. Like they've been really, really good for us. So
Double, triple, quadruple.
yeah, like it's insane. The last video, check it out. It's pretty awesome. And make sure to like, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications. So each pallet we got of toys, $345. And I feel like already this is gonna be like triple our money.
It's kind of interesting. A lot of it's in boxes, so
Let's see what
hopefully
it is.
it's case product, which means brand new stuff usually.
Yeah, here's some.
Or not. Someone just put something in there that shouldn't be in there.
These would be good. All right, well, we'll see. We'll get into it, find out what we have here, and what's the price.
And we're off.
And we're off. Making money. So salvage sticker does not always mean salvage. It most of the time just means it was salvageable for that company to make money on it. And just because it's a customer return doesn't mean it's customer returns as we see all the time.
That's very true.
And if you work at one of these facilities, stop putting the tape all over the boxes. I mean, come on. Every time.
So much tape. So obnoxious.
Yeah, I mean, look at all this tape that they put. You're wrapping the pallet with saran wrap. Or pallet wrap. You don't need to put the freaking tape on it.
Got a Nerf gun. Looks like actually the box is damaged and the gun's been actually damaged. You can see there's broke plastic in there, so we'll send that to the office. That's not something we want to mess around with.
Check these out, more of these. So $40 a piece on these. We actually just shipped those out.
Very nice.
That's nice. How much? $40. And look at this nice box we get. Freaking awesome box.
Brand new Nerf gun. A little disappointed because I don't get to test it, but that's awesome because it's probably worth probably
Dead.
$50. Got a $50 tag on it, so that's nice.
It is a sad day.
It doesn't go to R&D. It actually is going to go right to Amazon.
Sad day for Chris. Oh man, these right here, brand new case pack of them. These are good money.
New DigiArt easel.
$40. I just sent that.
$60 price tag on it. So
Yeah,
probably
just-
$50 for us. Got to get the extra tape off of it that the obnoxious people that wrap the pallets like to put tape on there. You want your products to look nice and clean. Chuck's very particular about that.
Yeah, you gotta be, right? You're sending your merchandise out. Brand new Peppa the Pig. It's exclusive, so could be worth some extra money if it's discontinued.
Some more brand new Vtech that we can send. I don't think we've sent these yet, but I'm sure they can go.
Massive mayhem. We actually just found out these went up in price, $20 a piece. So we make like $6, $7 on them.
Yeah, because before they were what, like $8 or something?
Yeah,
It's
you were
stupid.
losing money. I don't know how
Yeah.
people were selling them. Brand new Zoomer. These are $50 a piece.
Got some Vtech boxes, it looks like.
Probably more than bouncer things. And they sell crazy
Oh, yeah.
online, which is insane. So we got
You are correct. Well
Yeah.
played, sir.
Yeah.
Well played. We had one of these on a previous pallet. You go back and watch some of the original videos that we had done before. What were these going? You said what? $50, $40?
We had like $40 to $50 depending on what style. The ones we had were the red ones. More of the Vtechs. There's another $80 right there.
These are the Bumblebee ones.
Another box.
There's two in there. Another box of two.
Well, we have
So nice. Very nice.
got a Vtech box. It is factory sealed with Vtech tape, so you know it's going to be brand new. My guess is it's going to be that DigiArt one.
This box says salvage all over it. Let's see.
Means nothing. This has salvage on it. And it's brand new.
Well, crap, that's disappointing. I mean, it's good, it's nice product, but it's not good for us. Which kind of stinks, because we can't, they're not worth anything.
$55 on these. That is disappointing. We get a box out of it.
Yeah, we do get the box, that's nice, it's a nice size box. You'd think these would be worth money, but they're not, like, seriously. Like, you've watched our
This box is
videos.
awesome.
Yeah, you can tell we send this stuff right to the auction. I wonder if we should try to sell these locally sometime. Especially with the
For
holidays.
$10, maybe. Maybe. Some more of those bunchums. Brand new case pack of bunchums. we can send those. They're not worth a ton, but every little dollar counts.
Is that RC new?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. That's like not a defined answer there.
I'm gonna.
Can we go yeah, or can we get no?
Yeah, this is
A little damage to the box.
the battery popped out loose. I'm gonna say it's used.
Should probably sell it as parts if we can find another
It
one
is
similar.
crazy. We sell these for parts, 2 for $70. For parts.
parts.
Insane. So
People buy them.
yeah, I mean, we'll test it, but we'll take it out of the box and sell it for parts.
Yeah, I don't know if it's just they like the way the car looks or what, and they just want to collect them, but they buy them, or maybe they fix them. Who knows? But they spend $70, so keep buying them. Some new Vtech bowling game, awesome.
Yeah, it goes right up there. It's like $80.
And of course, and see, salvage sticker on there, and it was brand new merchandise.
Another VTech. This is gonna be that DigiArt, touch and learn maybe.
I feel like you've been going for that, or the activity desk.
Another activity desk, brand new. $55 right here.
Is that what all these? What's the item number on that? 507.
507. That's the same one.
This one is.
This one must be the DigiArt.
This is the 507 too. So we got quite a few of those.
And we'll send all of them.
Yeah.
Now's the time of year this stuff's done. Crazy. We got these boxes are freaking awesome we're getting.
I don't think we got this one yet.
Ah, that's a different one.
Yeah. New VTech drum set. Man, can you believe this was all customer returns?
This whole pallet.
This is not customer returns.
This is insane.
This
Brand
is
new.
overstock. This is brand new merchandise.
Isn't this a $150 one? It's Frenzy?
I think so. And there's two of them?
I think there's 2. If we can't send it, we better keep the box aside. We can ship it.
Yeah. 507, 507. So these are all the activity.
Yeah, so here's another activity. So we got 5 of those. And then
Yeah, I got 3 here. Oh yeah, 5 there.
and these are, I bet you these are the
I think that was the drum
Ezo.
set.
Oh, the drum?
I think it was. Either way, it smells like money. Activity desk.
Another activity desk.
That's weird.
Is it a different color?
I wonder.
'Cause those are the pink ones, 507. Huh.
Interesting.
Yeah, another activity desk.
So we got
And-
quite a few of those activity desks.
Let's see.
You're thinking maybe they just stuck them in random boxes?
Yeah, it's the original.
Nice shit.
Oh, there it is. So this one, that one was 507. This one's the 506.
So different color.
So it's a different color one. Still money.
Still money. And you said the box below this was another one of these, right?
Another new one of those.
Nice.
This is a home run.
Money, money, money.
Yeah. I mean, I think these frenzies were, I don't know if those were the $100 or $150 one. I gotta look, I'm curious. I know these guys wanna know it too.
Either way, it's freaking good money.
And it's, RC New Bright Frenzy.
Yeah. Brushless Frenzy X10.
$150.
$150.
And that's brand new at the store, $150.
So we sell them for $140.
So, yeah, I mean, for math purposes, we do 150, 300, and then those activity desks are $55 a piece. So there's 100, 200.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes of them there too.
So there's another 300, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I would say, probably $1,500. This is almost 4 times what we paid for this. And
$1,000 profit.
it's customer returns.
And it's customer returns.
Yeah, so check it out. All brand new.
So how did you know to buy this? Like, how did you,
Brand new.
who would have thought you would buy this at
Yeah.
$345 a pallet, and we just
Trust your gut. Go with the Chuck gut.
the Chuck gut.
It's rarely is it wrong, you know it.
What if you don't have the chuck gut?
If you have the chuck gut, do your research. I mean, even if this was customer returns at 345 bucks, it's a nice gamble. You know, I mean, this was a gamble that was definitely worth taking. But even if half of this stuff was used, you would have still made money on the shipment. So, you know, you just got to do your research and what makes sense. 'Cause if it don't make dollars, it doesn't make sense. And that, I mean, it's legit.
And the best part, there's not a lot of stickers on there, so I don't have to do a lot.
You can do no
This has
stickers on
been
any
like
of it.
an easy truck for me. Like,
yeah. I'm
really
I'm
enjoying
behind
this.
on this one because he usually is taking all of the inventory stickers off for me to ship it out, and I'm running behind, and he's ahead of me because this is only going to take 10 minutes to clean up, and we'll bring the next pallet over and break that
Right.
down. So we'll see what we get in the next one.
Nice.
But yeah, hell of a win right there. So make sure to like, subscribe, follow us.
It's gonna make this fishing trip a little bit easier.
I know, right? You know, bricks and clicks. This is what we do for a living. A lot
Check
of
out our
fun.
eBay store,
Facebook,
Facebook store.
soon to be famous show. And then we'll get into these next toy pallets and see what we get. So make sure to follow us. We'll be back.
Stay classy.
Stay classy.